Nigerians are yet to get over the death of Nigerian lawyer Bolanle Rahim, who was killed on Christmas Day by a police officer. A lot of revelation has come out as it was revealed that she was an only child and was pregnant with twins. Celebrities like Nathaniel Bassey, Bolanle Olukoni, Fowles, etc. have called on the government to ensure justice is served. Now, on a lighter note, miracles do happen, and Alex Ekubo's ex-fiance coming out to apologize to him was a shocker. Hi, and welcome to the last KOKO Weekly Rundown for the year 2022. Remember Fiance Acholonu publicly broke up with the actor last year? Well, she has once again come out to publicly apologize for the hurt she caused him and his family, and that she wants him back. Aww. Not all celebrity relationship ends badly after all. Trust Nigerians now to always comment. While some people are urging Alex not to accept her back because she might still break his heart again, others have urged him to accept her back because the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. It's funny how people are just commenting on his relationship when in fact he might have accepted her back behind closed doors. Wahala be like social media comment session. Another person that was a boss this week is Aya Star. Her fall on the Afrochella stage was just, as she said, unnecessary and painful. Portable had fans screaming as he came on stage in a coffin for his Lagos concert. Wahala in Portable's voice. Oh yeah, basketball is still trending, and now fans are saying that he took down his divorce post because he was ignored by his wife Elsie Okocha, who acted like nothing happened. Last, we'll still know what happened. BB Niger Queen revealed this week that she is pregnant. Yay! And sincerely, no one saw that comment. On a final note, Davido has unfollowed Eniola Badmus on Instagram, gang, and fans are speculating that he unfollowed her because she was the one that released the news of his son's death. So that is all for this week. Compliments of the season and a happy new year in advance. See ya next year.